Hi guys, and welcome back to another Noctua video. Today we're going to talk about the Noctua NH-D15S chromax.black edition, which kind of basically it is an NH-D15 but without the additional fan on front. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing and check out what we got in box, of course with the accessory box and their secure form 2 mounting system, and then we're going to place it of course in a build. So what can you expect inside this kind of box is basically standard Noctua packaging, which kind of always it always surprises me how they manage everything nicely. So right here we have the accessory box, which consists of secure firm 2 mounting system. Now inside that, as I already stated in a couple of other videos, you get the brackets, the standoffs for the AMD processors and the screws. You get 2 brackets that go on top of the standoffs. So basically at the back you use the normal backplate that you get with your X570 or B550 or any other AMD motherboards. You get 3 instruction manuals. One is for the LGA 20XX, then we have the LGA 115X and 1200, and you have the AMD socket instruction manual as well. Then we have the brackets for Intel alongside with the standoffs, locking screws and locking nuts. And in the other compartment you get, this is the screw that is quite handy because the tower is quite high, so standard screwdrivers can't reach the bottom part, so this is kind of helpful. You get their thermal paste, you get the LNA, so low noise adapter, you get additional brackets for if you decide to eventually go with one more fan on front, and you get Noctua badge. So let's skip the accessory box. You already seen me cover this part quite a lot basically, but let's check out the cooler. So we have 2 massive heat sinks which are connected with 6 heat pipes, and you already have a pre-installed Noctua fan. This is the NF-A15 HSPWM chromax.black. As on any other Noctua CPU tower cooler, the fans get the rubber pads for less vibration, less noise because of the vibration, and they are mounted on front and on the back of the fan. So when you attach the fan to the heatsink, in between you can find the rubber part, so the heatsink isn't directly touching the plastic of the fan. And basically at the bottom we have a nicely brushed cold plate that is going directly to your processor, which of course you need thermal paste in between. But just so you know, before placing the CPU cooler on your CPU, you do have to remove the fan to tie up the 2 screws that go on the locking nuts and the brackets, and then after that you place the fan on top of everything. So guys, let's put it in a build and test out some thermals. Even though chromax.black is basically non-RGB, basically any Noctua fan or CPU tower cooler is non-RGB, I placed it inside this case. Well, I had this case free for review and placed it, well, the Noctua NH-D15S chromax.black on Intel Core i9-9900KF. So in AIDA 64 I had temperatures on just CPU benchmark. I had temperatures around 55 to 57, which is outstanding, and then adding FPU benchmark as well at the same time as the CPU benchmark, the temperature went maximum to 70 Celsius degrees. This is outstanding since the D15S is lacking 1 fan, so compared to the D15, but still outstanding. I mean, when it's in idle you can't hear it. It's definitely quiet, even with these Lian Li fans on front and at the back and at the top, so 6 additional fans. Graphic card is most likely the loudest thing inside this case. And Noctua did go around 26 decibels, and what did they say here? 24.6 decibels. So guys, I would basically say that decibel range did get affected with the graphic card because it is louder. When you push the load on the graphic card, it does spin up a bit louder than the Noctua NH-D15S. So yeah, what to say? I'm really satisfied with it, and I think, as usual, Noctua fans, CPU tower coolers deserve a PC Crazy badge. So I'm going to give D15S PC Crazy Performance badge, because it really does perform and it really is quiet. If you're really looking for a CPU tower cooler that performs great, aesthetically it's either Noctua colors or chromax.black. If you're into something like that, and if you're looking for a premium product that has really nicely explained and really nice packaging, I don't know what to say. Noctua is the way to go. So yeah guys, this is it. I'm placing the link for the Noctua NH-D15S chromax.black edition in the link below, so you can check out the price and the availability. I think you won't have any issues with the availability compared to the RTX graphic cards. And that's all there is to it. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you like the video. Leave a comment with your thoughts. What kind of CPU tower cooler do you currently have? And of course, subscribe for future content, and hopefully I'll see you in another one. Thanks, bye bye.